Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Techtronics Sdn Berhad. We are the LED display design and manufacturer in Malaysia. In front of us, this is a LED safety scoreboard, where you can see the width of the display is 1330mm and the height of the display is 850mm. And the character size of this 4 digit is 90mm, where you can see that there is a traffic light, red, amber and green. So let's start our presentation today. This is a controller keypad. So whenever I press 1, you can see that this is red color. Press 2, amber color. Press 3, green color. And press 4, it will off. So to go into the setting, press and hold the first button. You will see that there's a dot over here. So you adjust 1000, 100, 10 and 1. Once you have adjust, press and hold again. You will see the time. Now is 9:24. So in the morning of 12 AM in the morning, it will increase +1 automatically. Once you set the time, press and hold again. 8682, this is what we set. If you like my video, help us like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.